Hey there YouTube, what's up? It's Zen here, and so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take your logo from Illustrator and turn it into, and then bring it into a Cinema 4D file. So I have my logo here. Now it looks a bit weird because the stroke weights are a bit weird, but yeah, anyways, basically I have all these grouped together inside of here, and you want to make sure that you created all the outlines for the image. Make sure you have some sort of stroke on. For some reason, I don't know why, every time I stroke this up to 14, which is what I was trying to do it to, it keeps getting glitchy. There we go. Now it seems to be working fine. But yeah, there we are. And you want to go to Save As. You're going to want to save it as an Adobe Illustrator file. And I'm just going to replace this, yeah. And then the important part here is you want to go down to Illustrator 8 and hit OK. Alright, and then inside Cinema 4D, you're just going to hit Merge and find your image. There it is. Hit Open, and then select your scale. I'm going to do 5 centimeters. And it's going to go somewhere. It's going to just like kind of go off on its own somewhere. I don't know why it does this, but it doesn't matter a whole lot because what we can do is I have a plugin installed called Drop to the Floor, which is what I'm going to use here. Oh, there we go. And it didn't actually drop to the floor. Excellent. So I guess what I'm actually going to do is just move it down here. I don't know why this happens. I honestly don't have an answer. But now that we're at the origin, all I'm going to do is I'm going to drag out all of these spline paths and delete the original null. One of the paths is weird and I don't know which one. I don't know what path that is, so I'm just going to delete that. I don't know what was going on there, but there we go. So now you have the spline outline of your logo. All you're going to want it, and mine looks weird just because I didn't optimize it for this. If you have a normal logo, it'll work fine. I screwed this one up and I made the stroke weights a bit. I used stroke instead of actual pen tooling to make this, so that's why it looks really weird. And also bear in mind you can't do this with any images that you've made with lines. It has to be a pen tooled out image or a typed. If you have a typeface, it'll work as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to group all this together, and the way you turn this into a 3D object is by just going extrude, dropping it under, and then you'll see nothing happens. From there, all you want to do is just go hierarchical, and now you have your image. And then from there you can do nice things like adding fillet caps to it and making them 2 steps. And then going, I don't know, make a 3-step with a 8-stroke. And there you go. Now you have a nice little logo. And if you want to make it a bit more depthy, you can add a bit more depth, and yeah, now you have your logo inside of Cinema. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to comment and subscribe and check out some of my other videos, and hopefully I will catch you guys next video.